All right, so we're gonna find out uh, how to get the current time using the amount of milliseconds from Epoch. So pretty much Epoch is uh, the amount of milliseconds from January 1st, 1970 is pretty much uh, how long a computer thinks the world existed from. And we're going to use that to find out the UTC time, which is the universal time coordinate, universal coordinate time or something like that. It's based near the UK. So the function we're going to use is this: system dot current time millis. All right. So this gives you the amount of milliseconds from January 1st, 1970, from the UK time zone. So let's print this out and see what we get. All right. So we get this large value. This is how much milliseconds it's been since that date, and we're going to use it to find out the UTC time. So this value is larger than what an integer value can handle, so we're going to use the long value for this. So first, let's set up like what the math we're going to use. So right now we're given our time in milliseconds. The first thing we're going to do is convert it into seconds. So we divide it by 1000 and convert it into seconds. Okay, but if we convert it into seconds, it's going to be like something million seconds. But we want our seconds to be between 0 and 60 because that's how clocks work. So what we're going to do is going to do modulus 60. All right. So this will keep our time from 0 to 60. Now we need to get our minutes. So to get our minutes, we just divide by 60, and then we have our minutes. However, our minutes are going to be something like million minutes, and we need to stay between 0 and 60. So what we're going to do is do modulus 60 again to have our minutes stay between that interval. Now we need our hours. So what we just do is divide by 60 again to get our hours. And we're gonna get like something 1,000 hours, and we need it to stay between 0 and 24. Okay, we're working with military time, so we need it to stay between 0 and 24 hours. So we're gonna do modulus 24. All right. So this is all the math we need to figure this out, to work with this. So let's go back. So the first thing we're gonna do is this. Let's declare a long type, long variable, and let's call it milliseconds. Millisec, okay? Let's call it total millisec. And now we're gonna find the total amount of seconds since Epoch. So it's equal to millisec divided by 1000. So that's this portion we just worked with. So in red, this portion is done. Now what we're going to do is use total seconds and find the amount of seconds inside so we're going to use total seconds to find the amount of seconds inside UTC time. So it's seconds equals total seconds modulus 60. Okay, now we're going to find total minutes, and that's going to be equal to, well, whoops, total seconds divided by 60. So let's see what we got done so far. So we already got this part taken care of by doing modulo 60, and we just got our minutes, so that's all good. Now we have to find our confined minutes and hours. So to confine our minutes, let's do long. Oh wait, sorry. Yeah, sorry, right. Okay, yeah. So minutes equals total minutes modulo 60. Okay. Now let's get our total hours. Total hours equals total minutes divided by 60. Okay, looking back. So we just did this part, so that's good. And we just did this part. Now we just do modulus 24 to confine our hours. And there. Now we just have to work with seconds, minutes, and hours. So let's do a print statement. Set in our hours, then our minutes, then our seconds. And then let's add UTC. All right. So this is the current time in UTC.